Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's sweet video, if you accidentally forgot to use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. All right, all you got to do is open the Uber driver app. At the top of the screen, you're going to see either your picture or 3 lines. Click there. Then you're going to click Earnings. Next, click Help or the question mark, depending on what you see. Click Account and Payment. Then click Referrals. Click Invited Driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click Send a Message. The invite code that you're going to use is JACOBL17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone number is going to be 307-349-7713. And the email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. Finally, under details, you're just going to put, my friend Jacob referred me to drive for Uber. That's it. Send it in and get your guarantee of up to $1,000. Start driving with it. Like driving the rideshare, even when your car gets a stain. Do you like picking up your passengers, even no tipping Dane? That's my song for you guys today. I'm Jacob Letman. This is a Rideshare Hub. Thanks for being here. I'm coming to you from Phoenix, Arizona, where it is so hot that the women's eyebrows are melting off their faces. It's true. They're walking past my vehicle and their eyebrows are melting right off. Mine are really bushy, so they're staying put, and they're not made of makeup. Okay, hey, great video for you guys in store today, but before we get started, if you haven't started driving for Lyft or Uber yet and you would like to, get a sign-on bonus so you can get extra money, then we have links for those in the video description below. You click on them, you get signed up, make that extra cash, buy yourself something nice, take yourself out on a movie date, maybe with a friend, because that'd be sad if you went alone. I'm just kidding. I've gone to the movies alone. I'm pretty weird. All right, hey, this is what I got for you guys today. We're going to go with 7, that's right, kind of obscure number, but we're going to do it. 7 essential items that you should have in your vehicle at all times as a rideshare driver. Yeah! And we're going to go kind of quick because it's 137,000 degrees in my car. So before I die, let's kick it off. Number 1, for all of those rides that you give to people on their first dates, or going into big business meetings that ask for, what do they ask for? A mint or gum. Yeah, I carry Altoids in my car because they're curiously strong. And I am curiously cool. That's a lie, but yeah, mints or gum, that's number 1. I get asked that question a lot, so it's always nice when I have those. All right, number 2, we're gonna do this one for your passengers as well. Because what else do they need besides minty fresh breath? They need to charge their phones. Boom! 2 heads are better than 1 is what they say. Android charger right here. And your Apple iPhone charger. So I got those at all times. Always nice to be able to offer that to your passengers. So that is number 2, the charging cables. Number 3, because you just never know what's going to go down in the DM, actually in the back seat. You never know what's going to go down, and you need to be prepared to clean it up with multi-purpose cleaning wipes. Also, Clorox or Lysol work as well. And I love these. These are my favorite. Just clean up all sorts of things with these at any time. They work on all parts of your interior. Leather, pleather, vinyl, fur, ostrich hair, velvet. I don't like velvet. If you have a velvet interior, I'm definitely not getting in your vehicle. Anyway, it's good to have these multi-purpose cleaning wipes. Great, moving right along. Number 4, let's keep it on the topic of cleaning. What else do you need? I actually never carried this in my vehicle until somebody jumped down into the comment section of one of our other videos and told me you must always keep in your vehicle a lint roller. Good suggestion. Especially, I have black cloth interior, so one hair, you can see anything on my interior. And inevitably, we get those passengers that have dog hair, cat hair, rabbit hair, I don't know what other kind of hair, I don't want to know, but it gets tracked into my vehicle, and if I can't go and hit up a vacuum, this is perfect in between rides to lint roll or hair roll some of that stuff away. Great. Number 5. Yeah, number 5. Besides keeping a clean car, what else do you want to have? You want to have a fresh, ooh, that smells way good, smelling vehicle. So you need some sort of air freshener. Me personally, I'm healthy. I'm pretty hippie, a little side hippie, closet hippie. So this is my essential oil blend with peppermint, and it is called Citrus Bliss. It's like orange, tangerine, vanilla. Lady got in my car 2 days ago and said, wow, it smells like a spa in here. And I said, welcome to Jacob Lettman's Spa on Wheels. You know what? I'm going to put a link to my essential oils that I use. I'll put it in the comments section below. So look out for that if you're interested in using essential oils in your car. If not, that's cool too, but make sure your car smells good. Number 6. Yeah, obviously, we got to have these couple of things, right? Your sticker. Got to have your sticker in the vehicle so that your passengers can identify you as a driver. Inside your windshield, front and back in the lower right-hand corner. Or maybe the upper right-hand corner. I don't know. Whatever feels good to you. Or you could use your handy-dandy Lyft, yo. Or your handy-dandy amp. Get amped. Amp it up. Cool. Number 6. I'm starting to sweat. Can you guys see that? Oh man, it's hot here. It's so hot. Okay, number 7 is one that I think gets overlooked, but oh, this is a good one. Really important, and that is a tire pressure gauge. This is a digital one. Keep this in your car. I don't go more than 2 weeks at a time without checking my tire pressure for a few reasons. Safety, you want to make sure that they're at the specified PSI. I had to think about that. You should have a sticker inside one of your door wells that says what your front and back tire pressure should be at. I check, yeah, like I said, no more than 2 weeks. I'm always checking that. So safety is one thing, but also tire wear, if you want to get longevity out of your tires. And then also equally important is your fuel efficiency. So, dang, I am getting really hot. Your mileage, how much gas mileage you get, right? So you want to, miles per gallon. Geez, that took me a long time to get to that word. Your miles per gallon. If you have it at the correct setting, you will get more fuel efficiency out of your vehicle. So there you go. That's 7 items that you, someone's calling to me from, there's a bonus. What do you... The puke bag! Of course there's a bonus! Jeez! You gotta have the puke bag, right? It's like maybe the most important thing ever. You don't think so until you got puke in the back seat of your car, and then you'll be like, dang it! Jacob was right. I should have had the puke bag. Should have done it. Biggest thing about the puke bag is... Oh, wow. As I'm saying this, I find a hole. You want to make sure that there are no holes in your puke bag. And look at that. Little tear. Probably would not support a big pile of vomit. That's gross to think about. But, so maybe like a heavy-duty plastic bag for a puke bag. I keep that in my seat backs, in my cup holders, and under my seat. So I got lots of them, just in case, because you never know, right? Okay, before I wither away, I'm already skinny, but I'm starting to melt. I'm going to end it here. There you go. There are your 7, make it 8 essential items you should keep in your vehicle at all times as a rideshare driver. If I forgot anything that you think is essential, jump down in the comments section below. Let us all know. Appreciate you guys watching this video. If you took anything away from it at all, if you give it a big thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for your views. I'm going to go jump in a pool, get in a freezer, maybe put some ice down my pants. All right, until the next time, everybody, drive safe out there.